Hi guys, welcome to this two-part series on questions in Tamil. In Tamil there are two types of questions, yes or no questions and question word questions. Question word meaning who, what, when, where, why and all that. In this series we're going to cover both types of questions, and today's video will focus on yes or no questions.
Yes or no questions are really simple in Tamil. To make a yes or no question, it's the same as making a statement, but you add "are" at the end. For example, Avan Indian. Avan means he, and Indian means Indian person. So the sentence is, he is an Indian person. But if you wanted to say, is he an Indian person, all you have to do is add "are" at the end, so it becomes Avan Indiana. Another example, a bit more complicated but just relax. நீங்கள் பல்கலைக்கழகத்துக்கு போவீர்கள். நீங்கள் means you, பல்கலைக்கழகத்துக்கு means to university, and போவீர்கள் means will go. So the sentence means you will go to university. But if you wanted to say, will you go to university, you just add "are" at the end of போவீர்கள். So it becomes நீங்கள் பல்கலைக்கழகத்துக்கு போவீர்களா?
Thanks for watching guys, hope that helped. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the second video in this series where I teach you about question words. See you next time!